Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the registry editor is not opening on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then click on MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. It needs a while for it. Then click on next, choose full scan, click on next once again and let it run through. The last solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to recovery and then click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a good restore point. Click on next, click on finish and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.